Are your kids feeling bored and you're running out of ideas? What else can they do at home? Now, your kids can learn something new online. Sasbuddy provides robotics, engineering, and programming courses through virtual class. With experienced instructors, all you need is a computer and the internet. Virtual class will fill up their time to spend with you, learning useful knowledge interactively and expose them with 21st century education.
Kali ini kita nak buat goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Experience the education of the future. Sign up now